In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Shortcut for Email Templates folder in Outlook Ribbon. This quick tweak will make your most used email templates just a click away so you can respond faster and stay consistent without digging through menus each time. Start by opening your browser and heading to outlook.live.com. Once your Outlook inbox loads, look toward the top right area of the screen where the main toolbar sits. You'll see a three-dot icon that expands more options. This is where Outlook keeps extra tools that don't fit on the default toolbar. Click the three dots to open the menu, then choose Customize. This opens the customization panel where you can decide which commands appear on your ribbon. Think of this panel as a control center for arranging your shortcuts exactly how you want them. In the customization view, find the command for email templates. It may be listed among other available actions. Once you see it, click and drag it into the ribbon preview on the right. Drop it in the spot where it will be most convenient for you. If you use templates every day, consider placing it near the center or at the beginning of the toolbar so it's always easy to reach. If it doesn't appear immediately in the list, scroll through the options and keep an eye out for anything labeled templates in or email templates. If you prefer to keep things tidy, you can also create a new group before dropping the shortcut in. A group acts like a labeled section on your ribbon, letting you cluster related tools together. This is especially helpful if you plan to add more productivity commands later and want a clean layout. When you're happy with the placement, click Save. Outlook will apply your changes and your new email templates shortcut will appear on the ribbon. From now on, whenever you're working in your inbox, you'll be able to access your templates with a single click. This helps you keep tone and formatting consistent and cuts down on repetitive typing. If something doesn't look right after saving, you can return to the three-dot menu and customize again to move the shortcut or adjust your groups. And remember, these changes only affect your view, so you can tailor the ribbon to match how you work without impacting anyone else. That's it. In just a minute, you've made your templates easier to reach and your workflow smoother.